Hello. Today I'm going to talk about a product that I use. It's called Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. Stila is a really huge cosmetic brand. You can see them on tons of different celebrities. Celebrities endorse them all the time. They've collaborated with them for different lines of products. They carry eye products, powders, lipsticks. They're known for their glitter and glow eyeshadows, but one of their up-and-coming products is their line of liquid lipsticks. Now this particular item that I have, this is in the shade called Baki. Now this is a mini version. Stila's liquid lipsticks are usually in a taller bottle, but this one actually came as a part of a collection for the holidays. There's actually 3 in a box. It included this shade, there was like a pinker shade called Patina, and then there was another shade that was like a plum, like a dark, more like raspberry purple. But this is, again, is a smaller one, so this is not something that you can buy retail. You would have to get the larger version of it. This actually came in a pack of 3, and I don't think that they sell them that way anymore. But I bought that pack for the holidays just to try them, and I actually really love it, so I will definitely be going back and getting the full-size version. But for now, just to kind of show you guys, I'm going to use the small one. So you see it comes in this bottle. Now this is a hard plastic bottle, but it's definitely tiny enough for you to take it with you. You see obviously it has the Stila deco on the front. Now this is not that much product at all. This will probably last you maybe a couple uses if you don't use it every day. And as you can see, I still have a lot of it because I don't use this product every day. But it is a very wearable shade. It's just the fact that I don't have a lot of it, so I just don't want to go through it quickly. Just to kind of give you a good idea of how tall this little bottle is, I have a lighter here, and as you can see, it's about the same height. So again, it's not, you know, to last you. It was a set of 3. So obviously you can switch up the 3 colors, and it was a great gift idea, but you're going to want to obviously get the taller bottle. So I don't use a lot of this because I don't really want to run out, but definitely portable. Obviously you can throw it in your purse, you can put it in your clutch. I can hold it in my hand like this, so you can see how small it is. So Stila's bottles are obviously the same shape, even though it's a little bit smaller than the other ones, and their wands are going to be the same as well. So if you take a look, I'm going to show you Stila's wand here. Okay. So Stila's wand is angulated like so. Now obviously you can see there's a lot of product that's being wasted on the actual wand itself. So I kind of like to wipe it off on the sides of the vial just so that I can use that product later, because I'll go back and kind of dip my brush on the side of the bottle so I can get the rest of the product. But it's angulated like this, so you can really do a really good fill-in for those who are, you know, the best at applying liquid lipstick, because it can get a little bit messy. This is the one that you want to use. It's definitely helpful to have that point so you can line your lip, which is the way you're supposed to do it, and then fill it in. I don't usually do it that way. I kind of just fill it in the bottom with the flat part and then kind of rub my lips together. I don't really like the payoff to be too rich on my face. I'm not a fan of like really bright dark lipsticks. I kind of like a more subtle look, but it depends on what you want to do. So again, this color is called Baki. I'm going to swatch a little bit on my hand. So as you can see, it's a very light lilac color. It's really beautiful. It's very, very wearable. Now this is again a liquid matte lipstick. So it's going to go on liquid and it's going to dry matte. One thing that I like about Stila's formula is that it's not over drying. So it goes on your lips kind of obviously wet, and then as it begins to dry, it's more of like a creamy matte. It doesn't get over dry. It doesn't feel hard on your lips. It just feels like it still has a little bit of slip, which I appreciate. Don't want any type of lipstick that's going to be over drying. So as you can see, the payoff is really, really good. Payoff meaning it's a deep rich color. You can't see my skin through it because it's like completely covered. It's good cover. And obviously Stila, they claim to be stay all day, and I would definitely say that they definitely live up to their title. This is not transferable. You're not going to see it on the side of your cup or your straw or anything like that. It's definitely going to stay on your lips, and it's usually an all-day wear. When I use Stila, I put it on in the morning. I'll eat, drink, you know, go out at the nighttime. I'll keep it with me because again, it's such a small bottle, so you can obviously take it with you, but I don't really need to because I am not reapplying it. It stays there and the payoff stays the same, the color stays the same all day long, which I love. So obviously you see the swatch is dried up a little bit, It's not going to rub. It's going to stay like that on your skin. So it's a really great product. So again, this shade is Baki. So as you can see, this is the amount of product that you're going to get. Now again, this is not a full-size bottle. So get the full size if you're going to go for this shade. I don't think that they have the gift packs anymore. They may. The gift packs are good because you get them in a set of 3, so you can just try 3 colors at once. Also, I'm going to show you the other one that I have. This is one of the other ones that came in the gift pack. This one is Patina. It's like a little bit of a rosier color. I'm just going to swatch it for you. So as you can see, there you go. So it's a lot pinker, whereas the first shade Baki is more of on like a mauve kind of color. It's more purple. So you have these two, and then there was another one that I actually used all of because it's a really great color. It was like a plum kind of color, which I don't have anymore. Again, I actually used it up very quickly, but these are really awesome. I mean, I'm definitely going to go back to get the full-size version, but I use these lipsticks all the time. They're really great. They pay off really good. They're beautiful, rich colors that I think are really wearable for women of all different skin tones, which I appreciate because they're very inclusive. And the Stila carries a long line of product. So again, it's Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. They have a line of other kind of lipsticks. They have bullet lipsticks, they have lip glosses, they have lip toppers. But this is their Stay All Day collection in the liquid lipstick. If you're looking for a good liquid lip, I would definitely go for this one. I hope that all the lipstick lovers out there found this really, really helpful.